Welcome to our automation testing channel. Today I will talk about Python PDF comparison. I will include why compare PDF in automation, type of PDF comparison, Python package used, why compare PDF in automation. In real-world QA projects, PDFs are often generated dynamically, such as invoice system, bank statements, medical reports, government documents, test result exports. Manually validation is slow and error-prone. Automation can help us validate generated content, detect layout issues, verify dynamic values, prevent regression issues. Type of PDF comparison. First, text-based comparison. Extra text. Compare line by line. Best for reports and data validation. Second, imaging-based comparison. Convert pages into images. Pixel comparison. Best for layout validation. Third, structural comparison. Metadata, font, layout blocks. Python package used. Here is the package, here is the purpose. PDF plumber, extra text from a PDF. Python PDF 2, read PDF metadata. PDF 2 image, convert PDF to images. Payload, image comparison. Spire, text comparison. Real QA use cases example. Validate invoice total. Validate customer name. Validate generated report. Regression testing for PDF export. Prompt tips. Normalize whitespace before comparing. Ignore dynamic fields such as data, timestamp. Store baseline PDFs in version control. Use tolerance for imaging comparison. Integrate into CI/CD pipeline. Let's look at the code. Launch the Python charm and create a new project named PDF comparison. On the project, add the direct new origin and results and test direct. First end this one. And then install package. First install, we use the pip install spy.pdf. Then install pip install pypdf2. After install, the project can use these two packages to PDF comparison. On the tests director, I add the PDF1 Python file. Just you can add the new, this is a directory, and you can add the file the Python file. This file I write the test in the file. So first is the head is use the package, like use two packages, use the OS, use the date time. And then I write the function. First function is dt, use the current time, date and time, use this time step for the file extension, like write file, give this extension. And here is the folder. Go to the different folder, get all the file name. Yeah, because I not just compare one file, I can compare too many files. You can put as many as possible in the folder. I just put two files, but you can put too many files here. So first one, this is a get file name in the folder, is compare. Here is go to here and get the file name in the folder. And then first is extra text from a PDF. So give the file path, and first define the text empty from the page in the read page in the, you see here, like this is a read page, and each of line by line return the text. And here is a PDF compare function. Gives two of a folder, like a new folder all the file can get, and the origin folder get all the file, compare two folder file. You see here is a file name 1 is from this folder, and compare folder file name 2. And use extra text from the one by one line. And here is difference. Compare, if you have a difference, you should find, otherwise is no difference. If have difference, use the mark, create a new PDF file, mark two file difference. If no difference, just pass. No more for the mark the PDF. So here is finish this one and give the message if have no difference is here. If have difference, mark the file. So after this one, I read test 1, like a version, compare version 1. So this is a get folder. You see here is a folder. Folder is a origin. So origin have the two file, get all of the file. And compare, this is a new file, new folder. So this is a two file and compare this file. After compare, from console have the results list. Also for here, I read the like a PDF results. If I have the difference, mark PDF and put the created file into the texts. So this is for this is a test for the PDF compare. Okay, let me run the test. Okay, test finished. So we can see the results in the console. Like this file, anti-gravity PDF have no difference, so not mark, not list. But for this syntax, this two file have a difference, so mark this one. You see here is the list, the difference. You see here is logging in. This is a PW. This is the passwords. And the second difference is here. After login and visitor, this is finished. But another file have cy.reload. So this is a difference. So you can see here, I can export results. So you can export test results. You can, this one is put this folder. You can see, yes, okay, is report. So this is results report. And another one is in the text. You see here is what time I did. Almost this is 10:47. So you can open this one. You can see here is marked difference. This is the first one file. Here is passwords, and also now reload. But another file you use the pw and now reload. So mark the difference because for the two files, this file don't have the difference, so not mark anything. Yeah, that is. So general for this method test, just you can put different file in the the folder, but is general we use the original like the control you before the deploy or before you upload your code or something, and the new one is after deployment. Your application have to generate different PDF. So put this into the two folder and run the test. You don't worry about the file name, and this tester get the automatically get the file and compare. And here is just you can after run you can find the difference. If the difference and you see here difference. This is a time step, and what file have the difference? Give the file name. Because this file no difference, we just find this file have the difference, so can generate this one. And also, if you have a lot of the test result here, you just export text results. You can keep and look later. Yeah, that is for today's talk. Thank you for watching the video. Hope today's content can help you. If you want to follow us up to date, please subscribe. See you next time.